Thank you, Ms. Percival. Now I'd like to call on our fourth winner, Ms. Carmelita Dapanas from Manticao, Misamis Oriental, client of Card Game.
Thank you and congratulations, Ms. Dapanas. Our next winner is RG De Chavez from Santa Maria, Laguna, client of Ahon Sahira Incorporated.
Thank you, Mr. Chavez. Once again, congratulations. I'd like to call on our sixth winner, Ms. Eileen Zormata from Minglanilla, Cebu, client of Rafi Microfinance.
Thank you and congratulations, Ms. Formata. We'd like to call on our seventh winner, Raquel Lanaban from Belusa, Davao City, client of Cardbank.
Thank you, Ms. Lanaban. I'd like to call on our eighth winner on stage, Ms. Gladys Maipin from Hinigaran, Negros Occidental, client of Negros Women for Tomorrow Foundation.
Thank you again, Ms. Maipin, and congratulations. Let us now welcome our ninth winner, Edna Maloon from Bogo City, Cebu, client of Negros Women for Tomorrow Foundation.
congratulations, Miss Malon. And now for our 10th winner, Miss Annalisa Manil from Pilar Bohol, client of Card Inc.
Congratulations and thank you, Miss Mon. Our next winner is Lorly Noblezada from Yagao, Iloilo, client of Taytay sa Kauswagan Incorporated.
Thank you and congratulations, Miss Noblezada. And for our next winner, I'd like to call on Miss Rosalie Orihola from Nagcarlan, Laguna, client of Tulay sa Pagunlad Incorporated.
Thank you again and congratulations to Miss Oriol. Our next winner is Miss Cecilia Orok from Tagbilaran City, Bohol, client of Negros Women for Tomorrow Foundation.
Again, congratulations to Miss Oro. I'd like to call on our next winner, Miss Maricar Pagao from Paquin, Laguna, client of Ahon sa Hirap Incorporated.
Thank you and congratulations to Miss Pagao. We'd like to call on our 15th winner, Denise Palmero from Baler Aurora, client of ASCII Microfinance.
Once again, thank you and congratulations, Ms. Palmero. I'd like to call on our 16th winner, Ms. Niel Danica Polong from Silang, Cavite, client of Card SME Bank.
Thank you, Ms. Polong, and congratulations once again. And last but not the least, our 17th winner, Mr. Alan Romero from Taytay Rizal, client of Kasaganaka Credit and Savings Cooperative.
Once again, congratulations to all our micro entrepreneur winners. For our award presenters, you may now take your seats.